Germany is home to over 80 million people, making it the most populous country in the European Union. The official language of Germany is German, which is spoken by the majority of the population. Germany is known for its rich history, including being the birthplace of famous figures such as Ludwig van Beethoven and Albert Einstein. Oktoberfest, held annually in Munich, is the world's largest beer festival and attracts millions of visitors from around the globe. Germany is a founding member of the European Union and plays a key role in European politics and economics. The German Autobahn is famous for its lack of a general speed limit, allowing drivers to travel at high speeds on certain stretches of highway. Berlin, the capital city of Germany, is known for its vibrant art scene, historical landmarks, and lively nightlife. Germany is a leader in renewable energy, with over one-third of its electricity coming from sources such as wind and solar power. The Berlin Wall, which divided East and West Berlin during the Cold War, has been dismantled, but parts of it still stand as a reminder of the country's history. The Black Forest in southwestern Germany is famous for its dense woodlands, charming villages, and cuckoo clocks. German cuisine is known for dishes like sausages, sauerkraut, and pretzels, as well as delicious pastries like Black Forest cake and apple strudel. Germany is home to world-class beer breweries, with over 1,300 different breweries producing a wide variety of beers. The Rhine River, which flows through Germany, is one of the longest rivers in Europe and is known for its picturesque castles and vineyards. Germany has a strong tradition of Christmas markets, where visitors can buy handmade crafts, traditional foods, and hot mulled wine. The country has a diverse landscape, ranging from the Alps in the south to the North Sea in the north, with rolling hills, forests, and lakes in between. German engineering is renowned worldwide for its precision and quality, with companies like Mercedes-Benz, BMW, and Siemens leading the way. The education system in Germany is highly regarded, with free tuition for domestic and international students at public universities. The Brandenburg Gate in Berlin is one of Germany's most famous landmarks and has played a significant role in the country's history. The Frankfurt Stock Exchange is one of the largest stock exchanges in the world, and Frankfurt is considered a major financial hub in Europe. Germany has a strong tradition of classical music, with composers like Johann Sebastian Bach, Ludwig van Beethoven, and Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart hailing from the country. The Christmas tree tradition is said to have originated in Germany, with the first recorded use of a Christmas tree dating back to the 16th century. Germany has a long history of beer brewing, with many regions having their own distinct beer styles and brewing techniques. The country is known for its efficient public transportation system, with high-speed trains connecting major cities and regions throughout the country. Cologne Cathedral, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is one of the largest cathedrals in Europe and attracts millions of visitors each year. German chocolate is known for its high quality and delicious taste, with brands like Lindt, Ritter Sport, and Milka being popular worldwide. The cuckoo clock, a traditional German timepiece, is famous for its intricate design and unique sound. Germany has a strong tradition of literature, with authors like Johann Wolfgang von Goethe, Friedrich Schiller, and Thomas Mann being widely read and studied. The Berlin Philharmonic Orchestra is considered one of the best orchestras in the world and performs regularly at the Berlin Philharmonie Concert Hall. The German flag consists of 3 horizontal stripes of black, red, and gold, which are said to represent the unity and freedom of the country. The Neuschwanstein Castle in Bavaria is one of Germany's most famous castles and is said to have inspired the design of Disneyland's Sleeping Beauty Castle. Germany is a major producer of cars, with brands like Volkswagen, Audi, and Porsche being popular worldwide. The Berlin Wall fell in 1989, marking the end of the Cold War and leading to the reunification of East and West Germany. The Brothers Grimm, famous for their collection of fairy tales, were German academics who collected and published stories from German folklore. The German film industry has produced many influential filmmakers and films, including Fritz Lang's Metropolis and Wim Wenders' Wings of Desire. Germany is known for its strict recycling laws, with citizens required to separate waste into different bins for recycling, composting, and general waste. The Hofbrauhaus in Munich is one of the oldest beer halls in Germany and is a popular tourist attraction known for its lively atmosphere and traditional Bavarian cuisine. The German language has many dialects and regional variations, with differences in pronunciation, vocabulary, and grammar across the country. The Pergamon Museum in Berlin houses a vast collection of ancient artifacts, including the Pergamon altar and the Ishtar Gate from Babylon. Germany is known for its efficiency and punctuality, with people typically arriving on time for appointments and events. The Berlin Zoo is one of the oldest zoos in Germany and is home to over 20,000 animals from around the world. The Christmas markets in Germany are famous for their traditional decorations, festive atmosphere, and delicious food and drinks. Germany is a major player in the European Union and has a strong economy, with leading industries including automotive, engineering, and pharmaceuticals. The Black Forest is a mountainous region in southwest Germany known for its dense forests, charming villages, and scenic hiking trails. German beer is brewed according to the Reinheitsgebot, or German beer purity law, which states that beer can only be made with water, malt, hops, and yeast. Germany is a popular destination for outdoor enthusiasts, with opportunities for hiking, skiing, cycling, and other outdoor activities throughout the country. The German Autobahn is famous for its lack of a general speed limit, with certain stretches of highway allowing drivers to travel at high speeds. The Berlin Wall, which divided East and West Berlin during the Cold War, has been largely dismantled, but parts of it still stand as a reminder of the city's history. The Rhine River, which flows through Germany, is one of the longest rivers in Europe and is known for its picturesque castles, vineyards, and historic towns. Germany is known for its precision engineering, with companies like Mercedes-Benz, BMW, and Siemens leading the way in automotive, aerospace, and technology sectors. The education system in Germany is highly regarded, with free tuition for domestic and international students at public universities.